What do you call a young frog before it becomes an adult? Larva, tadpole, fry, nymph. The correct answer is tadpole. Which country is home to the world's largest Muslim population? Pakistan, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Egypt. The correct answer is Indonesia. Which marine animal with a long tusk is often called the unicorn of the sea? Beluga whale, narwhal, walrus, dolphin. The correct answer is narwhal. Which chess piece is unable to move backward? Bishop, pawn, rook, knight. The correct answer is pawn. Andorra la Vella is the capital city of which of these European countries? Andorra, Italy, Yemen, Algeria. The correct answer is Andorra. Which plant is most commonly used to produce commercial sugar? Wheat, sugarcane, corn, aloe. The correct answer is sugarcane. Which city is geographically closest to the coordinate point known as Null Island, 0 degrees north, 0 degrees east? Nairobi, Lagos, Accra, Kinshasa. The correct answer is Accra. Which language is primarily spoken in Liechtenstein? French, Italian, German, Dutch. The correct answer is German. What legendary sword is associated with King Arthur? Durandal, Excalibur, Gram, Joyce. The correct answer is Excalibur. In golf, what term refers to scoring one stroke above par on a hole? Eagle, birdie, bogey, double eagle. The correct answer is bogey. In The Lion King, who is the uncle of Simba? Scar, Zazu, Mufasa, Rafiki. The correct answer is Scar. Which continent has the flattest landscape? Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe. The correct answer is Australia. In which country is bullfighting considered a national tradition? Portugal, Spain, Italy, Argentina. The correct answer is Spain. Instead of bones, what is a shark's skeleton made of? Ivory, cartilage, calcium, keratin. The correct answer is cartilage. Which economic and social system shaped medieval Europe? Capitalism, socialism, feudalism, mercantilism. The correct answer is feudalism.